Hey guys, welcome to VAUCH Infotech, and I am here to demo a new feature of the Code VAUCH 3.0 that we have recently launched, that is MySQL with PHP Laravel 5 API and HTML5 jQuery. So for that you have to first log in into your Code VAUCH portal, then choose the option MySQL PHP Laravel 5 and download the patch for this. So your patch is downloaded here. You just open that folder and make sure that your PHP Laravel and MySQL settings are ready. So I am using XAMPP, that is XAMPP you can say. So XAMPP htdocs, I am copying this folder into XAMPP htdocs. That is my working environment for PHP and MySQL. So I'm extracting all the details here only. That is extract here option for the RAR file I am choosing. You make sure that you have the WinRAR installed before extracting this file, or any other tool you can extract also. So use exactly extract here option. So it will extract in API underscore PHP underscore Laravel underscore 5. It will take a little bit because PHP Laravel 5 is a big framework and has many files. So for this is ready now for checking into environment setup that it is working fine or not. You just have to configure your Apache port and your directory, that is API PHP Laravel 5. Okay, so it is loaded now, means it is working correctly. You can use admin and admin for credentials. So here are the screen reports and others. There are no options right now because we have not generated the code. Make sure that your country and state tables or any tables you are referring to generate a code that should exist in your MySQL. Then you have to choose that dependency. In comments section, you should have the name of your parent child relationship. So parent entity should be mentioned here in the comments. Now go to Code VAUCH. Make sure that you have the connection string correct for MySQL, and this is the main point, that where you have to extract. So just go to the folder C exampt htdocs API PHP Laravel 5 and jQuery HTML for UI path, and for code path you just make it for API PHP Laravel 5. Okay, so we are ready here. Choose country for generation. You can generate it. Make sure that your product is 3 MySQL. So it is generating now. It is generating the country SQL first. Then it is generating country JS and country HTML. So it is ready. Now you can just go to your screen and simply refresh the same. Sorry for that. Okay, and you will get one error, that is unknown database test, because we have not set the database for our project. So just go to API PHP Laravel 5, open the .env file and make sure that your DB connection has the DB database as your used database. I am using test underscore base, so I am configuring it, saving it and closing it. Just refresh the page. Now it has come. So country, no country is listed right off. So we'll enter India. We'll try just saving it, and it's saved. It's working perfectly. So you can check into a table also. In the table data you have one entry now, that is India IN. We'll take one another entry for a sample. You can say United States, and code will be US. Just save it. So we have now two countries here in a country table. Just refresh the table. So United States is also there. So code is working very fine. So now go for the states generation. So choose state as entity and generate the screen. Make sure that against your country ID, column configuration should be mentioned as country, because you're using the country entity for generating it. So it's generated now, guys. Just refresh the page so that you can have screens and state. So your code is working very fine. Just enter any of the state name. I'm entering Maharashtra here. choose the country. So country drop down is automatically populated. So code is working very fine for PHP. So your PHP Laravel API and the environment is working fine. So thank you guys.